I know they look all happy, but today is not the day to look at your 401k as Wall Street's free fall gets worse. Welcome back to Midday. I'm Tashara Parker. Trouble on the financial front as experts say people are adjusting their spending habits in response to inflation, and Wall Street doesn't like it. Alexis Christoforous reports.
Another ugly day expected on Wall Street as investors worry that high inflation may finally be catching up with consumers. The Dow adding to Wednesday's 1,100-point drop and the S&P 500 nearing a bear market, down nearly 20% from its recent high. The stunning sell-off triggered by weaker than expected profits from retail giants Target, Walmart, and Kohl's, each saying higher costs for wages and transportation are pinching profits. Consumers are still spending, but they're starting to adjust their spending habits as they face higher prices on everything from milk to workout clothes.
In high inflationary times, you tend to buy things that are more staple than they are discretionary, and that's likely to be the case throughout the summer. But I still believe there's a massive pent-up demand for getting out and about. So I think we're going to have a very active travel and leisure season.
Gas prices are now above $4 a gallon in all 50 states, and they're expected to go even higher as we enter the busy summer driving season. Economists say strong consumer demand, persistent supply chain disruptions, more COVID-induced lockdowns in China, and now the war in Ukraine have created the perfect storm to push consumer prices to a 40-year high. The Federal Reserve answering back by aggressively raising interest rates to curb consumer demand. But those higher rates also bring the increased risk of a recession. 68% of CEOs surveyed by the Conference Board now expect the Fed's war on inflation to trigger a recession sometime next year. And proof today that a pillar of our economy is starting to crack. Home resales fell in April to the lowest level since the start of the pandemic. Buyers dealing with higher mortgage rates, rising prices, and a shortage of available homes. Alexis Christoforous, ABC News, New York.